Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to boost ping with better gaming, lower ping, no lag in games 2019. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click and expand multimedia. Click and expand system profile. Right-click network throttling index DWORD. Click modify. Change value to FFFF, FFFF. Click OK. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click and expand TCP/IP. Click and expand parameters. Click and expand interfaces. Find the folder contain DHCP default gateway. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type TCP/ACK frequency. Right-click and modify value to 1. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type value to TCP no delay. Modify value to 1. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Right-click MSMQ folder. Click New Key. Names as parameters. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type TCP no delay. Modify value to 1. Also and exit registry. Right-click network icon. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Connected Network Adapter. Click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, Properties. 8.8.8.8. 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.